Hey guys, Murisei. Welcome to this video where we are going to show you 30 Shona words that were borrowed from the Afrikaans language. Back in the 19th century, it is believed there were some Afrikaners or Afrikaans farmers who moved to Zimbabwe to practice farming. And this actually had an influence in the naming of some of the instruments that were used in farming by these people. So we did some digging up and we came up with 30 Shona words that were directly borrowed from the Afrikaans language. Please do forgive my Afrikaans pronunciation because it's not that good. Stay tuned. First word is bachi. Bachi. In Afrikaans, bachi. Jacket. Second word is bande. Bande. In Afrikaans, it's band. Tape. Burukwa. Burukwa. In Afrikaans, beruk. Pants. The other word is chamboko. Chamboko. In Afrikaans, shambok. Shambok. The other word is chari. Chari. In Afrikaans, Charlie. Shower. Kepisi. Kepisi. Caps. Caps. Chikei. Chikei. Skate. Yoke pin. Chikerema. Chikerema. Scam. Dangerous person or thing. Chikoforo. Chikoforo. Scoffel. Cultivator. Chisharo. Chisharo. Sal. Saddle. Chituro. Chituro. Stall. Stool. Dirau. Dirau. Drat. String. Duku. Duku. In Afrikaans, doek. Handkerchief. Dura. Dura. In Afrikaans, duur. Expensive. Hembe. Hembe. Hemp. Clothes. Hochi. Hochi. Oihi. Pig. Jockey. Jockey. Yoke. Yoke. Kamu. Kamu. Come. Come. Kamuri. Kamuri. Kama. Room. Kereke. Kereke. Kerk. Church. Komichi. Komichi. Komehi. Cup. Futeki. Futeki. Vurtek. Getaway. Purazi. purazi, plus, farm. Rokwe, rokwe, rock, dress. Samburera, samburera, sombrero, umbrella. Sipo, sipo, siep, soap. Tafura, tafura, tafel, table. Tirongo, tirongo, trunk, jail.